As part of the AU Safety Campaign, we want each member of the Aurora University campus community to be aware, prepared, and responsive for emergency situations. In the event of a severe weather or tornado emergency, this video is designed to demonstrate how you can respond and play a role in your own safety, as well as show you the procedures used by campus safety and emergency personnel to help keep campus safe. Our campus public safety department and Office of Emergency Management are regularly monitoring weather conditions and radar maps across the campus area, aided by National Weather Services as well as local emergency management agencies. Campus personnel are able to quickly gather information to determine any severe weather threats and alert the campus if needed.
Given our location, Aurora University's campuses and surrounding areas are prone to severe weather and sometimes are placed under a tornado watch. Tornado watch occurs when weather conditions are favorable for producing a tornado across a widespread area. While a watch does not signify an immediate threat to campus or necessitate you to respond, AU campus safety and emergency personnel will monitor the situation and at that time be ready to activate our emergency alert system if needed. A tornado warning occurs when a tornado has been sighted or indicated by weather radar. Once a tornado warning has been issued for the campus area and either a tornado has been spotted or city sirens have sounded, campus safety and emergency personnel will then activate the AU alert system and deploy officers to assist others sheltering in place. The AU alert system will include notifications to cell phones, emails, social media, and the university website, along with activation of the alert beacons and the campus public broadcast siren. At that time, we want each campus member to respond to the appropriate safety protocol and take shelter immediately. To help you prepare for such an event, please follow these steps. Make sure you are signed up for the AU alert system. Go to WebAdvisor and confirm your cell phone and email address are accurate. Review the severe weather shelter locations found on building evacuation maps across campus. Participate in all campus tornado drills conducted during the year. Should a severe weather or tornado emergency occur, remember, the university will activate the AU alert system once a tornado warning is issued and a tornado is sighted or the city sirens are sounded. Use good judgment if you decide to act before receiving the emergency notification. Follow severe weather safety protocol listed on the emergency response guides, which is to seek shelter immediately and proceed to the lowest level of a building. Move away from windows and shelter in place within an interior space. Please avoid remaining outside or in a vehicle. Staying sheltered in place inside a building is your safest option. If you see others not following the proper safety procedures, you can advise them to take shelter and follow safety instructions, but only do so if it does not compromise your safety. Remain sheltered in place until you receive the all clear message from the AU alert system. While you may receive indications from other sources that the emergency is over, please wait until the university sends out the announcement. Campus safety and emergency personnel will confirm with local weather agencies monitoring the situation before issuing an all clear.
Aurora University is committed to ensuring the safety and well-being of its campus community. This video, along with other resources available on campus, provides important training information on how to respond in the event of severe weather or a tornado emergency. Thinking about how to respond to a severe weather threat and being ready to act is the first step in being prepared. Remember, AU will activate its AU Alert notification system once a severe weather threat has been issued and confirmed. Follow all safety response procedures and seek shelter immediately. Stay sheltered in place until you receive the all clear from the AU Alert system. Our campus safety partnership depends on everyone being aware, prepared, and responsive to emergency situations. Thank you for your help in keeping Aurora University safe.